Hey, Sadie. What you doing? Oh, yeah? So that's what you did today? You went to the park? And you saw a squirrel? A big squirrel. Wow. How big was he? Not that big. Well, at least you're being honest. What else you do today? You went for a boat ride? Wow. That's pretty cool. Did you go swimming too? Sadie, did you go swimming when you were on the boat? You know what swimming is. You jump out of the boat and you swim around in the ocean. Daddy's crazy. Oh, you don't want to get eaten by a shark? Okay, I don't blame you. So you didn't go swimming, but you had fun? You had fun anyway? Yeah? Did you take your doggy friends with you? Your sister? Al, you went on a boat today? Did you enjoy the boat ride? Yeah? That was fun, right? Got to sniff the breeze. You like the boat? You like when it goes fast?